They're coming at us this next week. Tomorrow, though, more of the same. Temperatures right where they should be for this time of year. You're going to enjoy more sunshine, though. Let's take a look at the next 12 hours. Temperatures will continue to fall into the 20s. We're headed down to right around 20 degrees through the night tonight into tomorrow morning, and that's because we're starting to clear out some of the cloud cover. So I do expect that once the sun comes up, we'll see some sunshine. So earlier today, we did have some freezing rain in southern Ohio. Northeast Ohio missed out on it, and then we have that ice storm going on in the midsections of the country. Now, I know your question is this going to head in our direction? And the answer is yes. It's just not going to be an ice storm for us. We're looking at plain rain out of this, and that's coming Monday night. And we don't need the rain. We're still very swollen, our creeks and our rivers, but good news is there are no warnings as of yet. All rivers have fallen below flood stage, but I am looking at least another inch as this next system moves our way. So we do not have any watches, warnings, or advisories in our area. Where out west in the central portions of the United States, the shades of red here, that is an ice storm warning for them. Unfortunately, it's just been pounding them over the last several days. Here's our savior here. It's the area of high pressure. This has kept any of this mess from getting into our neck of the woods. In fact, it's going to continue to sink on into the Buckeye State, and as it does tomorrow, we will see more in the way of sunshine than cloud cover through the afternoon. Then eventually this low will lift out of Texas here, cross over in the Mississippi River Valley, and as it gets in, it's going to come in the form of rain. So I'm not expecting any icy conditions. And for the holiday weekend, Monday, we're looking good too. So we have a dry next 2 days. I'm starting the clock here at 11 o'clock. You can see the rain, shades of green. We're not seeing the pink in our area. That's moving in Monday night as temperatures will be climbing through the night. We're headed into the 50s Tuesday afternoon. We'll see on and off showers through the morning. Then as we head towards the noon hours, we'll start to break that trend. Clouds will rule the sky though, and then a cold front will push in Wednesday, and that's going to bring yet some more showers to our area. Just hit and miss. It'll get out of here, but we're back up in the 50s. I'll show you this coming up on the 8-day forecast. Tonight, 20 degrees, partial clearing, definitely a cold one. Tomorrow, we'll see a mix of sun and clouds, more in the way of sunshine through the afternoon hours. Winds will be out of the northwest, and there'll be light temperatures typical for this time of year in the low and mid 30s. Here's a look at your 8-day forecast. We continue to warm, 42 on Martin Luther King Jr. Day. It's going to be a nice afternoon. Clouds be increasing though. Monday night into Tuesday, the rain arrives. Look at this, 56 degrees Tuesday afternoon. It will be a little bit windy on Tuesday as well. We wrap things up here on Wednesday, dry on Thursday, still well above average, and then as we get into the end of the weekend and the upcoming weekend, our temperatures will be nearing that 60-degree mark on Saturday. So this has definitely been a crazy January as far as warm temperatures go.
Flirting with
40s and 50s in the 8-day forecast. We're talking 10 to 25 degrees above average with more rain on the way. Our first batch will come Monday night into Tuesday. Here's a look. We do not have any flood warnings in effect anymore across Northeast Ohio. Killbuck Creek was dropped about an hour ago. Where there are warnings, the reds here, you got to go into the heart of the country, and that's where they're dealing with that major storm. We started to see just a few wintry mix to some icy conditions. So that batch has now pushed off capital. Look over towards portions of Kansas and Omaha. Unfortunately, the system has just been sitting here over the last days. Eventually be on the move. High pressure. This is ours keeping us dry and for us tomorrow. As it finally slips to the east, it'll allow this system, this area of low pressure, to lift to the north and east and drag a warm front through our area first. And that's really going to warm our temperatures, and that's why I'm saying we're not going to be dealing with those icy conditions, just rain. Right now, though, temperatures on the cold side. We're at 27 in Cleveland, 27 Lorain, rated freezing point Akron, Canton, 30 in Worcester, 34 New Philadelphia. You're hanging out cover where northern spots right now are already starting to see clearing sky. 20 degrees tonight, winds out of the night. Tomorrow, another fantastic winter day. Sunshine. Northwesterly winds, very quiet. Here's where it changes Monday night. Here comes the rain, and no, it is the green color, no shades of pink on this map. So we're just talking Monday night into Tuesday, mainly the first part of your day. Then a cold front will start to move in as head into Tuesday evening. Yet another batch of rain Tuesday night into Wednesday. Here's a look at your 8-day forecast, and here's what you'll be dealing with. Any kind of icy condition, rain moves in. We're in the mid 50s on Tuesday, low 40s on Wednesday. Rain gets out of a dry day on Thursday, and then another batch of rain and temperatures move in Friday.